Hey you guys, it's your girl Tippers Nicole. Welcome back. And as y'all can see from the thumbnail, we are learning how to make a money bouquet using the pool noodle. So I know a lot of people are like, how do you wrap the base? How do you wrap the base? The base is so hard for me. So I think this is an easier technique for you guys to make your money bouquets with a pool noodle. And it's still cost efficient just like the other part, but just easier technique for wrapping the base that we all have issues with. I still struggle with it. We be tussling, okay? So if anybody's here is new to the channel, I love y'all. Welcome. Be sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Comment, let me know what y'all think. Whatever y'all would like for me to make next, or whatever other type of content you guys would like me to do. So I don't want to get long-winded. Let's get into it. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with what I'm using. Of course, if you haven't seen any of my previous videos, you always know that I'm using the skewers. All of these things will be listed in my Amazon storefront as well. I'm using foam roses this time. It's a little bit easier stem and everything like that, so y'all will be able to see exactly what I mean by easier, okay? And this pool noodle edition may be a little bit difficult for others because you have to bend the stem of the roses, but it's not that crucial, okay? I'm letting y'all know. And instead of dollar bills, we are using $2 bills. I get them from my local bank. I know a lot of people think it's a secret to getting $2 bills. And you can check the bills. And you know the bank is not giving... I'm sorry, y'all. And you know the bank is not giving you the $2 bills that's worth something. So for all my people who's like, oh, they worth some money. The bank already know what it is, okay? And then you can always go back, double checking what $2 bills are making money as well. Just Google it, put the serial number in and stuff like that. It'll give it to you, okay? I am going in with the Elmer's Craft glue because I am doing glitter roses. Okay, can y'all see? And like I said, everything is listed in my Amazon storefront as well. And then I'm using plain white paper to wrap. Okay, so that's all y'all need, okay? Stay tuned. Oh, and Scotch tape. I don't even got it with me. Let me go get it. I had to go run it. Got the tape, y'all. And be sure, I know a lot of people are like, what kind of tape to use. I only recommend using fresh bills. You won't rip your dollar with fresh bills. If you're using older bills, I do recommend using the cloudy, the one that's kind of like not transparent. The one that's the foggy looking one is easier for people to be able to get the... So of course with your $2 bills, you're going to stick him. You don't have to do it directly. The $2 bills are a little bit different how you would do it, but you can do it directly in the middle. We're doing a classic fold on this one. So that's where you will place your piece of tape. So let me do it here really quick so y'all can see. Okay. Okay, you guys, so I finally finished the bills. It took me 30 minutes to finish 25 bills, so it's not too bad. So we're gonna cut the ends of the bills to a specific size. I don't ever measure, but I might measure it today so to let y'all know how short to cut it. So, but first we are gonna cut the pool noodle. I have an iPhone 13. I don't know if it's a Pro or whatever, but I measure how far I'm gonna cut it by here. So do 2 phone lengths. If your phone is bigger than mine, do 1.5, okay? So do here, hold your finger right here, and do it to here. And we're gonna cut here. Yeah. And it's also very easy to cut. Make sure you don't cut yourself, okay? Okay, so now my measurements, I don't know what my ruler thing is, but I'm gonna measure by my phone again, if y'all can see. And I'm gonna cut that much part off, okay? So like to here, I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna take my rose cutters And I'm just gonna snip it. Yeah. So I'm gonna do that to all of them because you don't want it to be too much. I might cut it some more, but we'll see how it goes. But you don't want it to overpower your thing. Oh, I would pre-cut your sticks before taping them to the dollar bill. I will put that out there. So you can always have your pointy part at the bottom so you can stick it in your styrofoam. I didn't, so it'll be a little bit harder for me to stick mine in. So just make sure that you're cutting from the top so your pointy part will be fine. Am I finna redo these dollar bills? No ham, no wham, no turkey, okay? But for you guys to do it right, be sure that you pre-cut your sticks, okay? And make sure that pointy part is always sticking out, okay? So I am gonna go outside and glitter the roses. I'm using this green glitter that I got from Michael's. It's so cute. I need to dress this color because this is giving. So I'm trying to see how many roses I'm gonna put in the middle. The pool noodles is kind of like, you're kind of limited to what you can do with these. But I do want to show you the stick for the foam roses. And these are so much easier to use. Like, you can bend these any which way you want to. So when you putting it in the pool noodle, you'll be able to bend it in a way to where it'll sit up, look like it's not out of place or lopsided or anything like that. So you'll be able to do whatever you want to, and it'll still be pretty. But I'm gonna dip these in the green glitter and I'll be back. Y'all know how to dip glitter. So you're gonna spray this on top of your rose and you're gonna dip your rose, okay? Y'all got me? Y'all got me? Spray, dip. And then you wanna spray another coat on top of it so it'll stay, okay? And I have to do this outside because when I do it in the house, I make a mess, a big mess. So, yeah. So with your first thing, you're not gonna be able to stick it directly in the middle. You're gonna have to bend your stem. So you're gonna stick in first, okay? Insert, just make sure you don't insert it too much to where it sticks out the side because you don't want it to do that. But then on here, you'll be able to bend it to where it's like center, okay? You can make it even, however you want to. Here, it looks off center, but you can bend it a little bit. To where it'll be centered. So I'm gonna put our first bill. I'm trying to see something. Let's see. We're gonna stick our first bill here, like this. Okay, we on a roll, we on something. And then you're gonna stick all the way around until you get 5 on here, okay? Around. So on this part, you're gonna stick the flowers like on the side of it. And you can kind of like stick them in between. Uh-oh, I done dragged it on them. So stick them like there. So now you always wanna do the shaky test. Make sure nothing goes anywhere. But I think this one is secure and it's time to wrap her. Let's go. So y'all, I had to record this the next day. I thought I recorded wrapping the base. Somehow it deleted. I don't know. I'm sorry. So I'm doing this video the next day. It's no right or wrong way to wrap the base when you're using a pool noodle compared to the styrofoam fold, but you can, to get the little V's at the end, you just want to slide your one piece of your paper down at an angle to where you'll get the V's on each side. And you see in the left hand corner that you see the V's in the corner. Your other side is going to look just like that. And then here I'm going to show you, you're just going to fold the paper over, and it's going to create those nice looking beads that you guys be asking about how you wrap. So this is one wrapping technique. You will also wrap the top of the bouquet like this as well. But for the base, it's no right or wrong way. So whatever way you feel comfortable with folding the base with the pool noodle, then that's on you. I know a lot of people wrap it differently, but this is exactly how I wrap the bouquet. And you can fold this ending part depending on how long your pool noodle is, so you make sure it fit and you don't show no parts of the pool noodle. So hopefully this video helps you guys. If you need me to do another video in depth on the base part, that's fine too. Let me know in the comments. And here I'm just showing you guys how I wrapped it. I had to fold mine because my noodle is a little shorter. And all you do is just fold it and you wrap it around. I had already pre-wrapped it, but you basically just put a little tape on where you want to start and just wrap it around. Like, y'all, it's really, really easy compared to the styrofoam foam that I normally use. But the pool noodle is really, really easy. It almost looks like a wedding bouquet, to be honest. And you wrap it around and you put a little tape on the inside part. Wrap it all the way around so it'll stay, and then you will add a little piece of tape to close it off so it won't open. And yeah, that's how you do it. Okay, you guys, so this is the final product. And to wrap the bottom, you just wrap your paper around. You don't have to do nothing else. Don't get technical with it, anything like that. Just wrap it around and it's gonna look just like this. But yeah, she came out really, really cute. This is a $50 bouquet with 25 bills in it, $2 bills. And it's pink and green and it's really cute. And like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all want me to do next. Love y'all. Bye.